pharmaceutical industry, pill coating is one of the final steps before the product is packaged and shipped. Not all pills are coated, but those that could irritate the stomach are usually covered with a substance that dissolves only in the small intestine. Sometimes pills are coated to make swallowing easier, or just for branding purposes. No matter the reason for pill coating, consistent pressure and/or flow control is required to complete the task. Pressure regulation provides the most accurate, cost-effective fluid delivery. In this application, a QB3 proportional pneumatic regulator controls the pressure of N2 to the coating fluid, delivering a film only 20 to 100 microns thick. A speed sensor measures the speed of the conveyor and provides this information to the controller. The controller then calculates a command signal to the QB3 based on the speed of the conveyor. This allows the spray to remain consistent no matter what speed the pills move,